Family gathering namin. It's Saturday night. Etong pagkain namin. Tinolang manok.
Meron pa yung pasta.
Tinola.
Ay, boss, yung pasta, hindi ka man.
Ano?
Sige na.
Dapat yung may ano.
Ipaida lang po kumaminita. Nakudo.
Ano?
Mayat eh. Napudot na lang mo. At kiyat mo, Tim. Papudot mo tapos po yung tambot lang.
Dati masilip ka.
Guys, come.
Pause mo na. Let's eat. Come on.
Diyan, magtulong.
Si Oreo at saka si Melo.
Sorry? No, you can.
Siguro.
You ask your mommy or...
Go,
Okay, Manong, ano? You take that. Tita made mac and cheese.
That's not mac and cheese.
Oh, I like
Baked macaroni lang.
Baked macaroni with cheese.
Baked macaroni.
Okay guys, thanks for
Bake
watching.
mac.
Bye.
And I want it with the